We're about to go trade the bike
for a Honda.
So we got the truck all ready. About to go get my project car for the winter. I mean, I love this bike, but I mean, it's kind of impractical, I guess, because I ride with the big boys. So over here peeling out in the fucking snow. That's cool. So let's get to this. Welcome to
CJ's.
FatKat's Garage.
CJ.
It's FatKat's.
CJ's Garage.
It's FatKat's Garage.
CJ's Garage.
It's my channel. Who cares? Well, it fits. Oh, the strap is way in the back there. That's all we need is one?
Yeah,
I prefer two, but...
I think we just need to hold it this way.
Okay. Alright, so I am getting a project car for the winter for us to fuck with. Now, obviously, I won't be paying him anything.
Because it's just for fun.
Yeah, maybe if there's something like hardcore that I just do not want to get to.
Most I'll get is lunches.
Yeah, I bought him lunches. All right, we picked up the car. I just want to share that it's dark out, so you know, sharing the darkness ain't really gonna help. We almost got it back to the house. It broke down right when we got off the freeway, so we got it back started. We clutch jumped it. So here we are. We're almost back to the house. It's right in front of me here. Hopefully it doesn't die at this light. So we'll see here what happens.
Why?
I smell something that smells like car gas. I like it.
Okay, there's gonna be cat food.
Yeah.
So what do you smell? I mean, a little bit of coolant, a little bit of oil, a little bit of coolant. Yeah,
Oh man, I told him I smelled oil. I told him straight
check
up.
the oil. See if there's any coolant in the oil. Here, take the cap off. See if it's smoking. So it died on the way here.
Fuck. Okay, so it's not smoking. That's not milky. So it's not got a blown head. That's good.
Cool.
We should have checked that before we did this.
Yeah, probably check see if it was low on oil.
We really should. That's not milky. I mean, that's not really going to be accurate right now. I need to let it cool off for a few minutes.
All right, I'm back. We've been having battery drain issue. The battery was 5 years old, so what I did was went ahead and replaced the battery. But we're still having battery drainage. Brand new battery, 24 hours later, dead. Nothing's happening, no click, nothing. So I'm going through the wiring and seeing what it could be. Normally it's an AC relay. I don't know where that is. So I was thinking when you put the ground on, like what the hell? I've been hearing this noise for a while. So I was starting to think, what could that noise be? So I kept tapping it, and I started to look, and I'm like, what the hell is that? So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the wires on this AC unit. The belt is off of it because when we had the motor warmed up, it was making a crazy noise down here. When we took the belt off, we were just gonna take each belt off, see if it was the alternator doing it because of the bad battery or the drainage. So we went ahead and took this belt off first, started to see how it ran, and that noise went away. And I'm like, oh, okay, so it's gotta be the AC unit. Well, I'm gonna undo this bolt here and take this wire off so this AC unit will stop staying on. So that could be the battery drainage. I got the battery fully charged, and then we're gonna sit it overnight and see if that helped any, which I almost guarantee it will. All right, so we went and picked this thingy up, but there's a bolt on the front. I don't think we got the right one, guy.
Why?
Because it's got a bolt on the front. I don't. Yeah, a bolt. There's a fucking bolt on the front of it.
That's to hold the wheel.
But the other guys wasn't using that. Anyways, so we just go sideways, and I'm gonna be working on this, and yeah, we'll be back on that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and work, and then we're gonna get the 80 grit out. If I can remember where the it's probably down below there. Yeah, that's nice. We'll get that out and we'll start on that next.
Prepared, so we don't have to up, down, 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 up, down.
So what's our strategy here?
Remove all the shit.
I don't know what that is. What's in? What does Honda put in there? Like a filler, like a white filler.
I don't know, but it ain't coming out.
Yeah, I don't know what the hell that stuff is. Ah, there we go. Yeah, just need to get out of our way. I say we cut. We need to cut a little bit of that out.
What, this?
Yeah.
You should get the grinder.
Yeah, get the grinder.
Oh, we got an air grinder.
We sure do.
You sure do.
No, you can leave it open.
I'm not gonna close it.
Oh, okay. We'll be back when we do sanding on it. I'll get an 80 grit on that metal, get it cut down there a little bit. And
Alright, we're about to use this big gap filler expanding foam to take up all this space. And we're going to sand that down roughly to the car. And we're going to put Bondo over that, sand that down so that we can paint it.
yes, sir.
Well, prime it. And then we got to do the entire car
Right.
with primer, not this.
Yeah. So we're gonna foam it and it's gonna start coming out, and that's okay. So I'm gonna hold it. Yeah, you gotta go upside down. Yeah, get it way. You gotta push way in there. That's why it's so long, because you get up in there. Yeah, stick it like, yeah, there you go. That's why the nozzle's so long, because you need to. Okay, it doesn't take that much. It'll start foaming out.
That gives a lot of fill.
Yeah, it needs to be coming out so we can cut it down to where we want it. So you have to fill it up a little bit more. Like stick the neck inside it and let it kind of. Did you shake it? Did you supposed to shake it first?
I don't know, I did.
All right, upside down and stick the like nozzle way in there, like you're probing it, bro. We're gonna cut it down because it's gonna harden up like styrofoam.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna cut it down to where we want it. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. This will be our first try, so I'm kind of nervous about letting go in the backing of it. I'm gonna let go and see what happens. Okay. And we'll let that dry and come back. Thanks for watching FatKat.
CJ.
It's FatKat.
It's CJ.
Either way, it's my channel. But have you seen this video here?
What about this video here?
I like that video. We're funny as shit.
We are.
Yeah, if you've already watched these videos,
Rewind this one.
do it. It's amazing. Yeah, learn something.
Yeah, be fat guys like us.